you know what's crazy? Positive repressible regulation is almost like when three plush animals want to hang out with each other. Now, I know what you're thinking. How does that make any sense, and why is this crazy college kid asking me this question? Well, for that first question, I first have to explain how positive repressible regulation works, and for that second question, cannot help you. Also, this is my feeble attempt at dressing up as a ghost for Halloween. Boo. In order for transcription to occur in a positive repressible regulation, we're going to need an activator protein so that it allows the RNA polymerase to bind, causing transcription. So what's going to happen is the activator protein has this nice U shape, which is going to mold really nicely onto the promoter on the DNA. And this is going to cause the RNA polymerase to feel left out, and then it's going to want to bond to the operator over here. And this RNA polymerase bonding to the operator causes transcription of the DNA. But let's say we have a small effector molecule. The small effector molecule kind of messed with the system a little bit. What it does is that it attaches to the activator protein, which then causes the activator protein to go through a conformational change, which will get rid of the U shape that we had earlier. Since there is no U shape now that's filled in, it cannot attach to the promoter. And since this activator protein cannot attach to the promoter, the RNA polymerase cannot attach to the operator, which will prevent transcription from happening. Now to recap the process a little bit, whenever there is no small effector molecule present, transcription happens, hence the positive and positive repressible. But when there is a small molecule present, transcription does not happen, which is why it is called repressible in positive repressible. So now let's get back to how this relates to plush animals, right? So we have Puppy here, Pusheen, and then we have Sydney. So what usually happens in this is that Pusheen likes to hang out with Sydney and they go off and do their own thing. But on the occasion, Puppy, the boyfriend, likes to hang out with Pusheen, which prevents her from hanging out with Sydney. And so how this relates back to positive repressible regulation is that Pusheen is the activator protein. Whenever she hangs out with Sydney, that is transcription. But we have Puppy here, which is the small effector molecule, and he likes to hang out with Pusheen, which prevents Pusheen from hanging out with Sydney, which would be transcription. So Puppy prevents hanging out, transcription. Here are my spooky references.